Hey, welcome to Hindman Settlement School's Dumplins and Dancin. Now you know as well as I, in time of COVID, dancing ain't the best thing to do. You're holding hands, you're different partners, and then you wipe your nose, and then you're in bed. We're going to do a special for you. We're going to take you to a dance workshop right here at the Hindman Settlement School. And we're going to do some figures. We're just going to show you some figures here that is done here in the mountains with these dancing like on Carcassonne with a big set and with 4 people, 8 hands around, okay? So let us take you through these calls here and enjoy them. And maybe someday we'll meet you on the dance floor. Okay, folks, we're going to take you through these figures here like in a big set. They're usually in a group of 4 together doing a figure. So it's different than a lot of square dances. It's done in the 4s. And we're going to take you through the figures, show you, and then we're going to do it with the music. All right? Usually we start off with all hands here, 8 hands around. We circle left. The sash and sway. Back to the right. You're going the wrong way. Get back home. All right, good. Now we're just going to do a simple one called Take a Little Peek. We're 1s, they're 2s. We're going to go 1s, go to 2, and take a little peek. Back to the center and swing your sweet. 1s, go to 2, and peek once more. Back to the center and circle up 4. Now you can do it the other way around if you want to. 2s, go to 1 and take a little peek. Back to the center and swing your sweet. We just watch. 2s, go to 1 and peek once more. We ought to be swinging 2. All join hands and circle up 4. Now usually in this dance with a big set of people, big circle, we join hands up right here. And 2s make an arch with their inside hands there. And the 1s go through and you go to another partner, another group of 2. But we don't have that here, so we're just going to skip that and do the next figure. After each figure, we circle. Circle left, back to the right, dance with all your might. Now you face your opposite there. Your opposite is the one that's not your partner. Look at your partner, everybody. Look at your opposite. Now we're going to do the Georgia Rangtang with a do-si-do. You look at your opposite. You do a right elbow your opposite, and left elbow your own. Again, right elbow your opposite, left elbow your own. Doing a figure 8 one more time. Right your opposite, left your own. Now look at your opposite. Do-si-do your opposite. Go forward and go backwards. Good. That's good. So then we join hands again for another figure. Circle left. Back to the right. Don't take all night. All right. Now we'll do another figure here for you. This is a lady around the gent, and the gent go through. Lady goes all the way around, and the gent goes through. Then gent around the gent. And the lady goes through. Swing your partner, that's all you do. Let's try it with the other 2 here. Okay, 2s now. Lady around the gent. And the gent go through. Gent goes first. And the gent around the gent. Lady goes through. Everybody swing, that's all you do. Good. Now all join hands, we'll do another figure. Circle left, back to the right. All right, now we're going to just keep holding hands this time. We're going to duck for the oyster, dive for the clam. Now I'm going to shoot a big hole through the old tin can. We keep holding hands, don't drop hands. And we go back to back and put our hands up and pull them through. You see that? We'll do it one more time for you. Duck for the oyster. Dive for the clam. shoot a big hole through the old tin can. Pull them through. There you go. All right, that's another figure. Now, let's move over this way just a little bit. Now, let's circle left again. And back to the right. Stop right there. Now, we're going to do right hands across and say, how do you do? How do you do? Left hand's back. Say, fine, thank you. There you go. Now, we're going to box the net. Watch closely. You reach under your partner's arm and pull your partner across in front of you. And now we're going to do a right hand star. So you use that right hand, box the net, reach under, pull your partner across in front of you, over here in front of you. And we're going to box the net again and do a left hand star. Let's try it again. Reach under, pull your partner, you back up, pull your partner through, reach across with your right hand. There you go. One more time. Reach under for your partner. Pull them through and swing your partner. That's all you do. Yeah, circle left. What a swing you all got. And back to the right. Turn that wheel. The more you dance, the better you feel. Okay, now we're going to do one more with that box and that. Watch closely. Here we go. I'm going to reach my right hand to my partner. Just change sides with your partner. Okay, reach your partner with your left hand. Now, they're going to go all the way around you, and you reach for your partner, your corner. With the right hand, you change sides. And you reach with the left, they go all the way around. Partner with the right, change sides. With the left, round the back. Corner, right hand, change sides, box that net. Take a left, they go around the back. Get your partner to hand, box that net. Left hand, they go around the back, all the way around the back. One more time. Right to your corner. Box the neck, go all the way around. See your partner swing. All right, that's good. All join hands in the ring. Yeah, you got it on the wrong side somehow. That's all right. Good. Get back home. Stop right there. Okay? We got one more. It's cut the wheat, mow the clover. Do it again. Do it all over. Okay? All right, come on this way a little bit. You all make an arch, and you go over. Go forward. Go forward. You go forward and back. Now go under. Now do it again. Do it all over. Okay, that's cut the wheat, mow the clover. All right, now let's do this with music. I'll show you all these figures. Test 1, 2. That's it. Yeah, we want to do something like that.
Ready?
Yeah. Scoot back. All right, here we go. Circle left and session swing. Back to the right, you're going wrong way. All right, now mow the wheat, cut the clover. Do it again, do it all over. Do it again, do it all over. All join hands, circle left. Back to the right, don't take all night. Lady round the gin. Gin go through. Gin around. And a lady go through. Swing your partner, that's all you do. All join hands, circle left in the sash and sway. Back to the right, you're going the wrong way. Now 2's go to 1 and take a little peek. Hold hands. Back to the center, swing your sweep. Peek once more. Back to the center and circle left 4. Circle left. Back to the right, turn that wheel. The more you dance, the better you feel. Face your opposite. Georgia ragtang, right elbow. Left your wrong. Right your opposite. Left your wrong. Right your opposite. Get ready now. Swing your own. All join hands and circle up left. And back to the right, don't take all night. Turn that wheel, the more you dance, the better you feel. Keep holding hands. Dig for the oyster. Dive for the clam. Shoot a big hole for the old tin can. Pull on through. One more time, dig for the oyster. Dive for the clam. Shoot a big hole for the old tin can. Pull on through, circle left, that's all you do. All join hands, circle left. And back to the right, don't take all night. Right hands across with a how do you do? How do you do? Left hand back with a fine thank you. Reaching under, boxing that. Right hand stars, you go back. Reach with the left, boxing that. Left hand stars, you go back. Right hand cross the net. Right hand star, you go back. Left hand boxing that. Swing your partner. All join hands, circle it. Here we go. Back to the right, don't take all night. That's a bit. Circle it. That's way back with a wickety whack. Face your partner. Right hand, boxing that. Left hand, go round the back. Right hand, boxing that. Left hand, around the back. Right hand, boxing that, left hand, around the back. Right hand, boxing that, left hand, around the back. Swing! All join hands, circle left for that pretty thing. Back to the right, don't take all night. To the center and shout. Oh! One more time, let it all hang out. Thank you for joining us here on Dumplins and Dancing right here. That's the Hindman Settlement School, Georgia Ragtime. Here we go. Woo! Swing! Promenade around the ring. Promenade one time side by side. Off the floor, it's all there is, there ain't no more. Okay. That's a lot. Oh, sorry. Now. You ready to wash it off?
So we need to be This is called movement of drying your hand sanitizer.
That's a new dance move. It's a Corona special.